लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती और कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Today, India has reached to the moon, and it is an inspiring journey to all of us in whichever field we are. It shows the power of will and the courage. This occasion reminds me once again विवेकानंद quote, कोई भी लक्ष्य मनुष्य के साहस से बड़ा नहीं और हारा वही जो लड़ा नहीं. As an aspirant of civil services examination, there is lot to learn from India's journey, that if you think for the moon, you can reach to the stars. Now, an important announcement. Our last batch for 2024 for Political Science Optional is going to start from 1st September. The timing of the batch will be from 8 to 10:30 am. Our next batch most probably will start in February. So, all those who want to take political science as an optional for 2024, this is the last batch. For details, you can visit our website. Once again, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.